Hey guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have my CVS haul. So there's going to be a change in my video schedule. So I'm finding that on Sundays I just go wild and crazy when it comes to couponing, and I need to tone it down a little bit on Sundays. So I'm making sure that I am enjoying time with the family and not stressing out too much when it comes to couponing. So how the schedule is going to go about, CVS in-store videos will still be uploaded on Wednesdays because you guys are really liking that, and so am I, and I will continue to do in-store because I like doing in-store. So those will continue to stay on my channel, but on Sundays it'll just be a Target in-store video and a Target haul. So that's going to be Sundays, and then on Mondays is when I'm going to go and do my CVS shopping, and then I will bring you guys a CVS haul. So that is going to be the couponing video schedule going forward. Grocery hauls are up in the air because honestly I get the same thing every single week, so I don't think that I'm going to be incorporating grocery hauls on my channel just because I get the same exact thing, because I do keto, so I eat practically the same things, and so do my kids. So that's how that's going to be. So it's going to be very rare that you're going to see a grocery haul on my channel, just because that's just how I am. And I was talking back and forth with designer Jen last night, and she gave me a lot of really good feedback and tips on my channel. So Jen, if you are watching this video, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to me about YouTube and all the stuff that we were talking about last night. I genuinely appreciate our friendship, and I appreciate having that time to converse back and forth with you and talk YouTube strategy and stuff like that. I find it very encouraging to have friends around me that I can collaborate and bounce ideas off with and everything like that. So Jen, if you are watching this video, I have taken a lot of inspiration from your CVS hauls, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to my CVS hauls. So thank you so much for that. So let's just go ahead and hop into the video. So first deal I did was on the Nexxus. So originally I was gonna do the hair serum, but then I decided not to because of the price tag. So when I saw that Target has Nexxus a heck of a lot cheaper, I decided to just go a different route with the Nexxus. So what I did is I picked up 2 of the Nexxus Humectress Replenishing System Conditioners. So this is the Caviar Complex. I've been using this stuff like crazy. I love it. Nexxus is my favorite shampoo brand. So thank you so much for everyone who sent me those coupons. So thank you, Irene Edwards. Thank you, Sophia, Vicky, Nicole Clark. I got so many Nexxus coupons, and I am so happy about that. So I'm going to be hitting Target up again sometime this week so I can get some more Nexxus. So the deal is when you spend $20 or more, you get a $10 extra care box. So I went ahead and picked up 2 of these. They were priced for $11.99 each, and I had a $5 off coupon, so I used 2 of those. So they came from the $9.23 Red Plums, so that took $10 off. There is a 4 off 18 CRT for hair care that you can use, so you'll end up paying $9.98, and then you get back a $10 extra care buck. So that makes these a 2-cent moneymaker if you have both of those coupons and that CRT. So I used a $10 extra care buck that I have from last week, and then I used a $3 beauty buck that I had. So that's how I did my transaction. So my second transaction, I did the P&G deal. So P&G, and this is my lovely husband who's been working so hard to fix our email issues. So if you have sent me an email and I haven't responded, it's because our email server is down right now. But my husband is a genius, and he's working on it as we speak.
She says that I'm a genius when she wants me to do something for free.
No. Okay, so the P&G deal this week is spend $30, get $10 back in extra care bucks. So I did the paper products and I did Bounty. So what I did, my store doesn't do the 98% rule. So some of your stores may allow you to spend a few pennies under and still trigger the extra care buck. For whatever reason, my CVS doesn't do it, but I'm not going to sit here and complain about it because it's just 3 cents, you guys. So the Dawn dish soap is priced for 99 cents. So I picked this up, and then I picked up some toilet paper. So I picked up 2 of these Charmin Ultra Strong toilet papers. They're priced for $9.99. And then I picked up 1 of the 6-pack of Bounty paper towels. So that was $9.99. And then I got CVS coupons in my mail. So if you are signed up with your CVS Extra Care card, look out in your mail. You'll get some CVS coupons. I had one to show you for an example, but now I don't know where it is. Oh, such is life. Where's my phone? Where's my keys? Where is my Tide coupon? I had a Tide coupon. I did. I promise you I did. It was a little coupon that came in the mail.
That's
okay.
Going to be the name of your book. Where's my phone?
Where's my phone? Where's my keys? That's gonna be my next merch. Where's my phone? Where's my keys? With a little GS right there. Okay, so you'll find these little mailer coupons that CVS will send in your mail. So check your mailbox. So I had $1 off one for the Bounty, $1 off one for the Charmin, and there was a 25-cent coupon for the Dawn dish detergent. And then I rolled the $10 extra care buck that I earned from the Nexxus promo, so I carried that over. And then I had $11 of extra care bucks from last week. So I paid $9.80, but then I earned $10 back in extra care bucks. So this is the $10 extra care buck that I earned from the paper deal. So you guys really should roll your CVS transactions, because that's how you're going to get less out of pocket. So these are manufacturer coupons. So they are not CVS only coupons. They are manufacturer coupons that CVS sends out. So you can't stack a Pampers coupon with this CVS coupon, because this is a manufacturer coupon. So don't get confused with these. So I found my coupons. This is what they look like. They come in your mail. So the last transaction I did was on the Johnson & Johnson. So these guys are buy one, get one 50% off. So one of them was $5.99, one was $2.99, because the second one rings up half price. So I got a CRT that printed. It was 5 off 2 Johnson & Johnson CRTs. So I paid $4.68 for the both of them, and I really like this brand from Johnson & Johnson. It is the Cotton Touch. It's the newborn face and lotion. And first off, this stuff smells so good, you guys. And second, our son has eczema, and this does not irritate his skin. So I love this line from Johnson & Johnson. So if you got that CRT, it's worth it to go ahead and use it. There should be a printable Johnson & Johnson coupon. I don't know if there's still one available. If there is, I'll leave it linked below to print. Speaking of Tanner, he's in the background talking. But you can stack those printable coupons with that 5 off 2 CRT, so that would have made this a better deal. But honestly, $4.62 for 2 of these guys is great. Tanner thinks it's a great deal, and he loves this stuff. So I think this is a great deal. So you guys, this is my CVS haul. I didn't do any of the cosmetic deals. Because I just don't need any of the cosmetics. So I took a halt on the cosmetic deals because I really just didn't need anything. But there are some other great CRTs that printed. So there is a 3 off 2 for the Annie's mac and cheese. And we also got insert coupons in the Smart Source. I don't know if you guys saw that coupon, but Annie's mac and cheese is buy one, get one half off. And then we got 25% off 1 coupons that came in this week's Smart Source. So you can stack that 3 off 2 coupon with the insert coupon. I think we can do this. Let me know if that's something we can do, because I'm still confused with this whole CVS CRT business. I'm still confused myself. There was another coupon that printed out. Let me just go into my CRTs. I did not do the candy deal. 1, because my CRTs expired, so I wasn't able to do the Kit Kat deal. 2, I'm on keto, so me having all of those candies laying around, it just was going to be bad news bears, so I just decided to pass on it for now. So there's a 3 off 1 coupon that printed for the Maybelline Cosmetics. So an idea, if you don't want to do the eyeshadows, you can get the free eyeshadows. You buy 2, you get 5. You can use this 3 off 1 CRT, and you can get those eyeshadows for free, or slight moneymaker. So you could do that. But you could also do the baby lips. So the baby lips, I think, is priced for about $4.99. So you can get a baby lips for $1.99. They have one that has SPF in it, so you can do one that isn't tinted. And then I also got a CRT for 3 off 15 for vitamin, and then also a 3 off 2 for the Nature Made printed out too. So if you got both of these, you can stack this and take a total of $6 off, which is great. And I think that they are buy one, get one 50% off. So no, I think they're buy one, get one free. So that's even better. And then also, And another CRT printed for me. It is the 2 off 10 photo cards and books. So what you can do is you can go into your CVS app and you can do your CVS photo prints, and then you can enter a promo code. And then when you go into the store to pick up your photos, you can use the CRT and take an additional $2 off. So 2 off 10. So just throwing that out there if you want to get some picture deals for the holiday time. And then also there's a $1.50 off one Tylenol that came in our inserts from last week, I believe it was. And then I got a 2 off one any children's relief, pain relief, or fever reliever. So this CRT can be stacked with this, so you could take a total of $3.50 off. So that is just some ideas of how you can work your CRTs. Also, there is a 2 off 1 for Robitussin, but I don't think this would apply because this is cough medicine and it's not pain reliever. But if Dimetapp and Robitussin, if they make pain reliever and fever reducer, then you could stack this CRT with that and take a total of $4 off. So there are some great deals going on at CVS. So just take your time when you're going into CVS and pick and choose the deals that you want to do. So let me know if you guys are enjoying this kind of relaxed, sit down CVS haul here where I just kind of talk you through stuff. For me, it's a lot less stressful because there's a lot that goes on Saturdays, and currently right now I just have Tanner with me. So it really helps when I only have one kid to worry about because Scarlett's in school and my father-in-law took Sawyer to speech. So if you hear a giggling baby in the background, that would be my son. So I am going to end off here, so don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and give a little hello to this cutie right here. Tanner, say hi. Say hi. Can you say bye-bye? He's the one making all the noise. Can you say bye, handsome? Say bye.